What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sparkman and I'm a game developer. Before we begin, don't forget to smack the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Today we're gonna go over variables. In the comments I have been getting a lot of questions about variables. So today we're going to do a quick review of variables. Now this is not just for GDevelop. You can use this in GameMaker, Unity, or any other game engine. So we have three types of variables. We have text, numbers, and booleans, which is on and off. So this is what we got. It's super simple. It's just a jumping character. So let's play around with variables. Let's add a variable to our object. Edit object variables. Add a variable. Now in some game engines you actually have to type this in a script, okay, but here you don't. So here you can just name the variable. Let's call this BB, just because we can. Okay, so if you run this you will notice that nothing changes and you can't see variables, okay, because it's just a number. Alright, let's display our variable here. Let's insert a text. Here is the text. Oh, my text. I should name it, but I don't care. Let me edit object. Okay, let me set the font to maybe 80. Set the color to yellow. Bold. And apply. Wow, that's hard to see. Try something else. Darker color. Purple. Everyone loves purple. So if you run this, you can also see that nothing happens. Okay, let's go to events and let me add a new event. Add an action, not a condition. We want to display our variable. Okay, so go to text. And we're gonna go to modify text for new object. Text equals our variable. Let me find common expressions, variables, and our object is happy. Happy has this variable called BB, which we just did. Okay, so hit OK and run this. Now that should set to 0. So if we so let me add another condition. So if we press a key on our keyboard, example, we press the up key. Hey, press the up key. So if we press up, we can add one to the object variable. Variable happy BB. We're gonna go +1. So now if I press up, okay, if you hold up it will keep going up. We want to slow that down. Let me just replace this here, delete that there. Keyboard, try on key released, the up key. There you go. Play this. So now I can increment this by 1. Okay. Now say this gets to 10. So add condition, object variables. Oh, here it is. Compared to an object variable, happy. So if BB is equals say 10, we can set the variable happy BB equals 0. So if you run this now, you can see that it loops. Okay, so that works. Let me create another text. I'm gonna make this one blue. about 50 pixels. Bold. And let's place it here. It's kind of hard to see. Make it red and try to make this a bigger. There you go. So we want to make another variable. Object variables. Add a new variable. Call this one HH. And we want to display it on the second text. Text object. Modify text. Text2 equals our variable. I want to select happy and HH. Try it out. Press up. Actually, this is 0 now. So when this gets to 10, we want to add 1 to our other variable. Variable happy HH theta equals +1. Okay. 1. So you can set this to 99, and whenever you collect 100 coins, you can add 1 to your lives. Okay, this could be your lives right here. Okay, that seems to work fine. So let's make it so when this gets to 10, we destroy this object here. Okay. If happy HH equals 10, then we're going to destroy that object. Object, delete object, green block. Try it out. Five. And it's gone. Just like that. So there you go, that's the basics of that. Maybe in the next video we can do strings. Alright guys, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye now.